Naipunya Vikasam, Functional English and Life Skills. Class 10. Topic: Public Speaking. I am Jagan Mohan Dalla, working as Functional English and Life Skills Trainer at APSW School, LB Cherla, Narsapuram, West Godavari District. AP State Skills Development Corporation, SchoolNet India Limited. Today, I came before you to speak about the topic public speaking. Hello everyone, welcome to this webinar class. Today, we will be listening to the topic related to one of the life skills, public speaking or public presentation. Learning outcomes. The learning outcomes of this session will be: number one, you will be knowing the definition of public speaking. Second one, preparing your speech. Third one, presentation of your speech. Fourth one, avoiding some practices that will ruin your speech. Fifth one, closing the presentation. Okay, let's see the definition of public speaking. The act of speaking or giving lecture to a group of people in a structured manner intended to inform, influence, or entertain a listening audience. Second one, preparing your speech. Between planning and presenting your speech, you have to make sure of certain issue related to: first one, how much time are you given? Second one, you will be a part of panel or speaking alone. Third one, will you be given time to ask question to an asked? Fourth one, what are they expecting from you? Fifth one, you should be accurate about the issues so that you need not readjust your talk due to unanticipated issues, creating your speech to become confused. Know your audience. You need to get information about your audience, like: first one, who will be attending your public speaking? Second one, are the participants expert at the topic you are dealing with? Third one, is there a mixed group regarding technicalities? Planning your delivery. Delivery of speech can be in three main ways. The first main way, read it directly of the script. Second one, prepare a set of bullet point and develop each point in detail. Third one, memorize the whole speech and deliver it promptly. Closing the presentation. No audience will be entertained for more than a stipulated time. Be cautious to end your speech at the right time. You can even engage someone to alert you before 5, 3 and 2 minutes. Don't forget to thank the organizers and guests and the audience at the end. 10 things you should avoid that rain of a presentation. First one, don't take long time to explain what your talk is about. Second point, don't speak slowly and dramatically, be natural. Third one, don't exalt yourself and show yourself as very important. Fourth point, don't refer to your books repeatedly. Fifth one, don't speak at great length about your organization and its glorious achievements. Sixth one, don't use technical posh words to make yourself sound smart. Seventh point, don't make your slides too numerous with a multiple fonts. Eighth point, always make sure you have rehearsed your presentation well in advance and up to perfection. Ninth point, don't sound as if you are reciting you talk from memory. 10th point, always try to keep eye contact with your audience and be free all the time. Students, I think all of you understood the topic public speech. Now I'm going to give you an assignment for you. Okay, that assignment is you have to prepare a public speech regarding COVID-19 safety measures that you have take. Students, you should follow all the methods that I taught you while you are preparing public speech. Thank you, children. Thank you, everyone.